This macro allows you to stretch or shrink a pattern piece by a set percentage or length in the X and Y direction for all graded sizes. The CAD function stretch X and Y only changes the sample size, not the grade values. Start the macro. Enter the values for X and Y. If the value is the same for both X and Y, you can enter a single value. For values in percent and not absolute length, don't forget to type in the percentage sign. Select your piece. The macro calculates the new geometry and grading. When comparing the result with the function stretch X plus Y in CAD, you can see that the sample size behaves in the same way. However, the macro also applies the stretch factor to the grading. For more information on the stretch values, press F12 or select the question mark in the menu Help and click the macro within smart.run.